today to share with you all some fabulous goodies I scored by shopping in my local Dollar Tree. I'm gonna start by digging in this bag. That's what's gonna make this as much fun for me as it should be for you, waiting to see what did Glam find in her local Dollar Tree this time. And this time it's all about my must-have essentials that I refuse to go without when shopping in Dollar Tree. Okay, the must-have essentials. I'm just gonna start by digging in this bag. So first thing about the bag is this beauty bag. Now I only purchased this beauty bag for two reasons. Three reasons. One is cheetah print, okay? Gotta have some animal instinct in my life. Two, they had some stiletto nails with the same design that I felt the bag matched. And three, because what the hell, it's only a damn $1. So that's the bag that I purchased. It's the beauty bag. It's very spacious and very roomy. What also interests me most about this bag is on the inside, the lining of the bag is great, okay? If you happen to spill foundation, liquid, or whatever, it won't stain through the outside of your bag. And you can easily turn this inside out, warm soap and water, rinse your bag out, let it air dry, and you'll be good to go. So this is a beauty bag for sure, but you can also use this as a little clutch. You know, who wanna know it's a beauty bag unless you go around telling people, oh, it's just a makeup bag. Girls, dolls, get your, stop playing. You can use your things for more than what it's being sold for. I'm just saying. I got me that one. Next thing about the bag, okay, I'm all for self-care, okay? Self-care, because if you don't love yourself, you're not going to be no good to nobody else, okay? Hello, I went with the clay mask that's now up in Dollar Tree. This one is by Freeman Beauty Infusions. Now when it comes to Freeman Beauty Infusions, they've been around for like a long time, okay? They are a trusted brand. But what made this clay mask in particular so eye-appealing to me is that this is infused with an anti-aging serum, okay? And if you're an official glam doll, which means a subscribed glam doll, you know anything, excuse me for a second, my braid was bothering me, anything that is anti-aging, my fingertips be all over it, okay? So this is it instantly boosts and purifies your skin. It restores your skin balance. It clears your pores. It's been dermatologist approved and tested. And this here has charcoal in it, which helps to draw out those nasty toxins and impurities that can help bring on acne and other skin problems that you may be experiencing. So I got this one right here. I don't even know why I said I got this one, because you know I got more than one. She is not playing. I'm not playing. Another thing is I picked up a bonnet. Yes, I always get a bonnet when I go in here. This is made by Sleek. Again, Sleek is a trusted brand. They've been around forever. They, you know, they all over. But I got this one because of the bonnet design. I mean, look at this. How cute is this design? It has the flowers on it. It has the pink roses and the calla lilies and the little whimsical things. So cute. And this is made of silk, okay? A silk bonnet. Can't go wrong with a silk bonnet, honey. What else I got in this bag? Okay, I also picked up my gel polish remover. When you see this right here, get 5 of them. I'm gonna tell you why. It's a gel polish remover tool, so you can use this for when you're like soaking your nails and you get that gooey gel, you know, residue on your nails. This can easily scrape it off. That's one use. You can use this for cleaning underneath your nail. That's 2 uses. You can use this for clearing out the blackheads that's in your skin. Hello, that's 3 uses. You can use this when you're doing your pedicures to push back your cuticles. That's 4 uses. Do I need to go on and on for why you need to get this? Just because it says a gel polish removal tool, it does not mean you can only use it for what it says it can be used for. This is what I love about shopping up in Dollar Tree. You get more than one use out of whatever the item is you're buying. Or at least I get creative with it and do, but that's this right here. I'm trying to stay consistent here. Oh, here is a clay facial mask Banana Blast by Bolero. And look, it matches my hair. By the way, do you like this wig I'm wearing? It is a wig that I purchased. I will be sure to list the information about it down in the comment section below. I added some hair beads to it, you know, just to dress it up to make it look more natural. I'm loving it. This video is not about this wig. Let's get back to it. So anyway, this is by Bolero, and this is the Banana Blast clay mask. But however, this is a brightening and ultra moisturizing formula that gives you that gorgeous glow. So you put this on for like 5 or 10 minutes, you rinse it off, and it helps to give you that deep glow from within. Banana extract, I'm telling you, banana extract is a fantastic additive for you to add into your facial routines. It does help to reduce and minimize your fine lines and wrinkles, whatever. That's 1. 2, it helps with your skin discoloration. That's 3. And it lightens your dark spots, which hence the reason why this will give you the ultimate glow from within out. This is worth you getting, and maybe you should get more than one of it, because I know that's what I did. I'm showing you that one, but come on now. Did you think I only got one? Now for my real reason for going up in Dollar Tree, my must-have essentials that I'm never ever going to live without. Honey, let me tell y'all, I went back and I purchased more of my microfiber hair wrap towels. Yes, I'm all for self-care. I do spa days at home, pampering at home, you name it. I'm all about self-love. So I purchased these hair towels, which is microfiber. I've used them before in the past. They're fantastic when you're doing your facials, when you want to relax in your tub or the hot tub or whatever. And they're very easy to apply. They have instructions on the back on how you can use them. I got it in this gorgeous blue color right here. Can't go wrong with the Tiffany type green color like that. Purple to me represents nothing but royalty, so I got that right there. And then I got the matching face scrubbers to go with it, and these are the microfiber face scrubber pads. It's a pad on one side where you can gently cleanse your face, and on the opposite side of the pad is it helps to exfoliate your skin. So actually I got them to match the microfiber towels right here. And I have the rest of the colors. So we have, let me see here, I got the purple and the Tiffany blue. So yeah, these are my face and towels right here. So excited. Oh, and I even have it in the fuchsia pink, because you cannot go wrong with fuchsia pink. So I got this one too. I'm so excited. So, and these are reusable. That's what I love about the face pads, is that they're reusable. You rinse them out, you let it air dry, no different than you do your washcloth. Got that. Oh no! My video is ending. Gosh! Anyway, these are the last things I have to share with you all. And I purchased these Bolero face sheets right here. This one is called Sweet Mint Water, and it's ultra hydration facial wipes. This helps to cleanse and moisturize your skin. Like I said, I haven't used these yet. My first time seeing them. So if you've used them or you know anything about them, let me know, other than you just watching this video. Comment down below about them. But that's this one right here. This one here is called Bamboo Water. Yeah, Bamboo Water. Oh, this one is anti-inflammatory. It has anti-inflammatory properties of bamboo, and it moisturizes the skin. And it says this is a refreshing way to reveal skin that is not only deeply cleansed, but softer and smoother and more noticeably radiant. So we're gonna see. I might just use this one first. Yeah, let me put that one over there. And the last one I have is cucumber water, and this one gently cleanses, hydrates, and smooths the skin. And it looks like this right here. And of course, like I said, I got this one to go with this. I'm huge on coordinating. I don't know. Do you do that? Because I do that. But on that note, guys, this is it. This concludes the video. We got through it. OMG. Thank you all for taking the time to watch this video. It was a joy for me to get back in Dollar Tree. I haven't been in Dollar Tree in quite some time. I haven't been up in Dollar Tree, but it was a joy to go up in there and come back and sit here and share with you all some of the items that I picked up. So on that note, that concludes the video. This concludes the video. Thank you all for taking the time to watch this video. Everything I showed you, be sure to check it out. Comment below on whatever it is you may have seen that you use or you know more about. And I will look forward to your comments. And I'm going to put these things away. But I will see you all in another video again shortly. Later, dolls.